Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Klaviyo, a powerful AI-driven marketing platform that's changing the game for businesses. If you've ever wanted to send perfectly timed, personalized emails, SMS, or even push notifications, Klaviyo might just be the tool you need. We'll explore its features, how it works, and why businesses are raving about it. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with Klaviyo for your own marketing strategies. Let's jump in. What is Klaviyo? Klaviyo is an AI-powered marketing automation platform designed to help businesses grow faster by personalizing their outreach. It takes customer data and turns it into hyper-targeted messages that feel personal and impactful. Whether it's email campaigns, SMS marketing, or mobile push notifications, Klaviyo helps businesses connect with their audience in smarter ways. Plus, it's packed with features like predictive analytics, real-time data segmentation, and AI content generation, making it a favorite for marketers everywhere. Core features of Klaviyo. So, what makes Klaviyo stand out? Let's break it down. Dynamic email marketing. Create personalized, automated email campaigns that engage your audience. SMS marketing. Two-way conversational SMS tools to connect directly with customers. Mobile push notifications. Keep users engaged with custom push alerts. AI content generation. Generate high-quality marketing content in seconds. Real-time segmentation. Target specific customer groups with pinpoint accuracy. Attribution tracking. Measure the success of your campaigns and optimize them for conversions. And if that's not enough, it integrates seamlessly with over 300 platforms, from Shopify to Salesforce, making it incredibly versatile for any business. Getting started with Klaviyo. Set up now. Let's talk about how to get started. The first step is to sign up for an account on Klaviyo's website. If you don't have an account yet, it's simple and fast to create one. Once you're in, you'll connect your customer data. Klaviyo makes this seamless by integrating with tools you probably already use, like your e-commerce platform or CRM system. After that, you can start building your first campaign using their guided templates and AI-driven recommendations. If this video is helpful, click the subscribe button. More tutorials like this are on the way. Creating your first campaign visuals. Step-by-step guide to building a campaign in Klaviyo. Let's create a simple email campaign together. Open the campaign builder in Klaviyo. Choose a template or start from scratch. Add your message, images, and call to action buttons. Use Klaviyo's AI suggestions to fine-tune your content for better engagement. Finally, schedule or automate the campaign based on customer behavior. The platform's tools make it easy to customize the tone, visuals, and timing of your campaign, ensuring it hits just right with your audience. Real-world applications and success stories. Klaviyo isn't just for big companies. Small businesses, retail shops, fitness brands, and even content creators are using it to build stronger connections with their customers. Imagine running a sale in your store. Klaviyo can send an email to loyal customers, a text message reminder to your VIPs, and a push notification to app users, all at the perfect time. It's all about being where your audience is, with the right message. Conclusion. And there you have it. Klaviyo is an incredible tool for anyone looking to take their marketing to the next level. From personalized emails to smart analytics, it's packed with features to help you grow your business. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on the latest marketing tools and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.